everybody! Are you ready to go on an amazing adventure? We're about to discover a super secret treasure that's hiding right under your feet. Okay, let's jump right in. I have a really big question for you. What do you think is our planet's most important treasure? Could it be shiny gold? Or maybe sparkly diamonds? What's your guess? If you guessed gold or diamonds, you're close. But the real treasure is something you see almost every day. It's soil! I know, right? The dirt under our feet is a treasure because it's what helps us grow almost all of our delicious food, like crunchy carrots and sweet, yummy strawberries. But wait, it looks like our amazing soil treasure might be in danger. We need to talk about the sneaky soil thieves. That's right. Believe it or not, there are two sneaky thieves out there right now, and they're trying to steal our precious soil from all the farms and gardens. Can you guess who they might be? Let me tell you, the thieves are water and wind. I know, it's kind of surprising. When these two carry soil away, it actually has a special science name. It's called erosion. So, erosion? What's that all about? Well, it's really just a word for when wind or water move soil from one spot to another. Want to try saying it with me? Erosion. You got it. So here's how it can happen. You know when it rains and it rains really, really hard? Sometimes that water can wash away all the good soil a farmer needs to grow food. Look closely at this picture. Can you see those little rivers the water made in the dirt? Yeah, that's erosion happening right there. And it's not just water. You know, sometimes a really strong wind can go whoosh and pick up all the dry soil and blow it away in a giant dusty cloud. When that happens, it makes it super hard for farmers to grow the yummy food we all love to eat. Okay, so we've got a pretty big problem. But you know what? Don't worry. We're not going to let those sneaky thieves win. So the big question now is, how do we stop them? Well, it's time to meet the soil heroes. All right, are you ready to meet the #1 absolute soil-saving superstar? Drum roll, please. Our biggest hero is plants. That's right, go plants. But how do they do it? It's actually pretty cool. Way down underground, a plant's roots spread out everywhere, and they act kind of like millions of tiny, strong hands. They grab onto the soil and hold it together really tight so that the wind and the water just can't carry it away. How amazing is that? And you know what? Farmers are soil heroes too. And they have some awesome hero moves to protect the soil. Okay, so for hero move #1, they plant rows of trees to block the wind. For #2, they leave some of the old plants in the field after they pick the crops. And for #3, on big hills, they make these really cool curvy rows to help slow the water down. And hey, check this out. This is what those hero moves look like in real life. See on this side? Those are the tall trees that block the wind. And over here, look at those awesome curvy rows. All these special tricks help keep our soil safe and sound, ready for growing even more food for all of us. Okay, so we've met the plant heroes. And we've met the farmer heroes. But you know what? There's one more really important hero we haven't talked about yet. Now it's your turn to be a soil hero. Wow, what an adventure we had today. Let's think about everything we learned. We found out that soil is a treasure that helps grow our food. We learned about the two sneaky thieves, wind and water, that cause erosion. And we learned that plants are amazing heroes because their roots hold the soil in place. And the best part? We learned that we can all help protect our super soil. So for all you new soil heroes out there, I've got one last question for you. What's one thing you could do to help protect the soil? Maybe in your own yard or at a park. You could plant a flower or maybe help water the plants in a garden. Have a think about it. Thanks so much for learning with me today, Super Soil Savers.